Hi, I'm Clive from Balgores, and I'm here to introduce this beautiful, versatile and highly commutable country house in Battlesbridge. This unlisted family home benefits from a 35-foot open plan living, kitchen, dining room. A 19-foot living room opening onto a stunning garden room. The fourth bedroom and shower room are to the ground floor. To the first floor, the spacious master bedroom benefits from French-style doors opening onto a large balcony overlooking the wonderful gardens. The two remaining double bedrooms share a well-appointed family bathroom. Rectory Lodge is situated in a quiet country lane, just a few minutes' drive from the local commuting station, which enjoys a direct rail link to London Liverpool Street. Occupying over a third of an acre of beautifully landscaped gardens, it further offers not one independent annex, but two. Houses of this quality and location don't come along very often, and finding one with two habitable outbuildings makes this the ideal property for multi-generational living, and viewing is strongly advised to appreciate everything that this surprising and exceptional property has to offer.